Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Something that's really important to remember whenever you're changing out your pine straw and your mulch is you want to take a look at your house, and all houses, especially if they're brick, you've got your slab line, which is right here, and then you have these holes, these little gaps in your brick. That's called a weep hole, and what it is it allows air and moisture and stuff like that that's behind the brick, behind the wall, to kind of seep out, or it gives it a way to breathe, if you will. It's very important to remember that not only do you not cover these weep holes, but also don't get over the slab line. Because what will happen is that in a torrential downpour, whenever you get a really heavy rain, the rain could actually get over the slab line, leak into the house, and cause damage to your floors. Carpet, wood, it'll warp your wood. It'll just cause a lot of headaches and grief. So something to remember, you always want to leave the slab exposed. Never let anything pile up over the slab, especially never let anything pile up over your weep holes. General rule, a good rule to follow is to, try to keep at least, like you can see right here, try to keep it a good inch or two of your actual slab visible. If you got any questions, need any suggestions, need any pointers, let us know. Other than that, we look forward to hearing from you. Y'all have a good day.